I'r brif adran lle roedd Caerdydd oedd ar y brig yn ymweld ag Abertawe oedd yn ail. Caerdydd gafodd gyfle gorau'r hanner cynta ond Cle Skinner narbed cynnig Seren Watkins. Daeth gol gynta'r gêm wedi 5 munud o'r ail hanner. Pas wych Stacey John Davies yn canfod Katie Hosford mewn erwel a'r ymosodwr yn rhwydo i chweched gol gyngred y tymor hwn. Llwyddodd yr adar gleision i nioni'r sgôr gyda 20 munud yn weddill. Gol arbennig am brif sgoriwr y cyngred Phoebe Poole i degfed am y tymor. Daeth Abertawe yn agos at gipio'r triphwynt. Jessica Williams yn mynnu bod ei ffeniad wedi croesi'r llinell, ond y gêm yn gorffen yn gyfartal o flaen torf o bron i 1,500 yn stadiwm Swansea.com.
Oedd e'n gêm galed. O'n i hapus gyda'r perfformiad, o'n i mor hapus gyda'r y siap, y merched dros y gêm. Ac o'n i'n meddwl bod ni tîm mor gorau mewn yr ail hanner. Ond just anffodus, o'n i'n ddim yn gallu ennill y gêm, ond oedd e'n gêm anodd. Ond o'n i'n hapus gyda'r perfformiad, ond siomedig, o'n i ddim gallu ennill y gêm.
First half, it took us a while to get into it, and we had a talk in half time, and Ian just told us what we need to do, and we come out second half with a really good fight, and I think a draw is fair enough.
We came in to win the game. You know, football is you've got to take what you can see, and I could see we weren't quite 100% today. I think in possession again we were quite slack, and gave them some opportunities then on the counter attack. So you know, but we'll take that point. You know, it's a good point for us away from home, and you know what a fantastic place to come and get a point.
And your thoughts on your goal? It looked an excellent goal.
It wasn't too bad, ask Ian, but yeah, it was really good. Just instinct. I've been on form this season, I'd say, but ask Ian as well.
Well, that's Phoebe Poole. That's what she does. You know, she's a great footballer. Listen, she's destined for great things. We're just trying to keep her humble, keep her working hard, make sure she's got a lot to improve still, and she knows that. And we're just working on it every single week. And you know, I said to her before the game, she owes me one because I found her headphones last week when she left them in training.
Profiad gwych I pawb I gael chwarae yn stadium.com.
Yeah, of course, o'n i hapus i'r merched ac i cefnogwyr hefyd. So nice I weld y crowd mawr. Ac lot o boes merched yn gwylio'r gêm a teulu hefyd. So yeah, oedd yn prynawn da.